What is the real meaning of emerald dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of emerald dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees an emerald in a dream or sees lots of emeralds gemstone in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates good luck, prosperity in the upcoming future. As well as this dream also suggests a sudden big profit in waking life, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 2. If you receive emerald or emerald jewelry as a gift from someone in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to meet someone special who will completely change your life and will support you in life without any expectations. Now number 3. If someone sees buying an emerald in a dream, then it indicates an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in business, job, etc. with monetary gain in real life. Now number 4. If someone sees wearing a ring, necklace, etc. made of emerald in a dream, then this dream also indicates success and prosperity in the coming future. That will make you a happier and more satisfied person in real life. Now number 5. If someone sees losing his or her emerald ring, jewelry, etc. in a dream, then it indicates the difficulties in completing any work project or planning in waking life, or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in real life. Now number 6. If someone sees finding an emerald in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates some kind of big success or sudden monetary gain in real life. As well as this dream also indicates finding something valuable like as any kind of hidden talent, knowledge or wisdom within yourself that will change your life in positive ways. Now number 7. If someone sees an emerald ring in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to meet someone special in life who will play a very important role in your life as a friend, lover or partner. But sometimes this dream symbolizes success in your work project or planning without any hindrance. Now number 8. If someone sees an emerald necklace in a dream, then it also indicates success, prosperity and harmony in life. Because you have chosen the right path in life that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. But before that you will have to focus on your current life goals and targets in real life. Now number 9. If someone sees stealing emerald, stone, jewelry, etc. in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to think before making any kind of important decision in life. Otherwise you can lose your respect due to any kind of wrong decision and action in real life. Now number 10. If someone sees a giant emerald in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates good luck, prosperity as well as tremendous success in the coming future that will change your life in positive ways.